In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable migration bubble on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features such as the Twitter tracker, the wallet tracker, the P&L tracker, an amazing reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. They have a turbo mode which basically allows for faster fills and faster transactions. You can select your own presets, set them, change the fees, set the filters to filter through meme coins, etc. And all these features are for free. So again, link down below, make sure you check that out. So to enable the new migration bubble on Axiom, this is going to be quite simple. If you go to Pulse, usually you had to go over here to see when a coin was migrated. Of course, it's going to show over here, so the time. However, now you can actually see it inside the graph as well. So let me just click over here on the coin, for example, so this one which has migrated, and as you can see here in the graph, you can now see this M bubble which says migrated from pump V1. Okay, so of course this bubble is showing, it's blue over here, you can't really miss it. However, if it's not showing over here, what you can do is over here, in case you have hide all bubbles, make sure you press on show all bubbles, and this will show you all the bubbles. However, regardless of what you click, this one should be showing, but if it's not, just make sure you toggle this button over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.